Pre-orders start from the 12th of September 2025. Sales begin on the 19th of September 2025 in India. Price: 256 gigabytes, 82,900. Display: 6.3-inch, 15.93 centimeters, Super Retina XDR OLED. ProMotion. Body build: aluminium frame, ceramic shield 2 front, color-infused glass back. IP68 water and dust resistance. Performance: A19 chip, neural accelerators, GPU improvements. Storage: 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes. Cameras: rear, dual fusion system, 48 megapixel main plus 48 megapixel ultra-wide. Front camera: 18 megapixel with center stage support. Battery: up to 30 hours of video playback. Fast charging: 50% in 20 minutes using a 40-watt adapter or higher. Other features: always-on display, dynamic island, dual capture video, improved durability, ceramic shield 2 with better scratch resistance, new colors. Dimensions and weight: 149.6 times 71.5. A new iPhone 17 comes with a stunning 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, powerful A19 chip, dual 48MP pixel dual fusion cameras, improved ceramic shield 2 durability, and up to 30 hours of video playback with fast 40-watt charging. It launches in India, starting at 82,900 rupees with multiple storage options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech updates. Specs breakdowns and price news.